Okay, so what is electrolysis? Electrolysis is the process by which the components in a solution present in a liquid get dissociated, and it get dissociated into its respective charged particles. What are the different types of charged particles formed in electrolysis? Mainly two types of
Ma'am, there are
charged.
cations and anions.
Yes, there are mainly two types of charged particles, the positively charged particles and negatively charged particles. The positively charged particles are called cations
Cations
and negatively charged particles are called
and
anions.
anions.
Okay. So these are called the electrolyte, and due to the presence of these particles in the solution becomes a good conductor of electricity. Otherwise, liquids are not able to conduct electricity. You know, for example, this difference between distilled water and tap water. Can you give,
Yes, ma'am.
Abhishek, any difference?
Ma'am,
What is difference? Yes.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, tap water contains some impurities and salt, ma'am, which allows the electricity to pass through them. But in distilled water, ma'am, the water is in its purest form and it does not allow any electricity to pass through.
Yes, so what happens in purest form means there we are not able to get those charged particles, that ions, cations and anions, where there will be a movement of the that is the charged particles. As a result, the electricity will flow. But in case of distilled water, no such impurities are present. But in tap water, we may find that the water is acidic, that is presence of acid. We may find that the water may be basic, that is the presence of bases, and it may be there may be minerals and salt dissolved in it. As a result, they becomes good conductor of electricity.
Good
So
conductor of electricity.
if the question comes, you are able to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So again, after revising is very important. So we have taken an electrolytic cell. We will carry on the process of electrolysis. For that, what we need? We need a battery. Battery should have a positive and a negative terminal. You know.
Yes, ma'am.
There are two electrodes, two rod-like structures that are dipped in the solution, that are dipped in the electrolyte. Okay. So these are called the electrodes. Electrodes
Electrode.
again are of two types, positively charged electrode and negatively charged electrode. The पॉजिटिवली चार्ज इलेक्ट्रोड कौन सा पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा जो बैटरी से पॉजिटिवली चार्ज की कनेक्ट होगा द बैटरी का जो पॉजिटिव पार्ट है दैट एंड विल बी कनेक्टेड टू द इलेक्ट्रोड दैट इज कॉल्ड द पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रोड दैट इज कॉल्ड द पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रोड नेम ऑफ पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रोड क्या है कैथोड या एनोड ठीक से याद करो और बताओ
एनोड एनोड
मैम पॉजिटिव एनोड है और एनायंस नेगेटिव है
हम नेगेटिव कैथोड
जो बैटरी के जो नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द बैटरी will get attached to the electrode that will become the negative electrode that is called
कैथोड मैम कैथोड
that is called cathode. Clear? Is it clear, children?
यस मैम
यस मैम
So जो भी है we have taken two iron rods okay as electrodes. अगर एक आयरन रॉड को we are just attaching with the positive part of the battery, then it will become an anode.
क्या तुमको जी तुम मत करो
What happened? And if we just attach the negative terminal of the battery with the electrode, with the iron rod, that will become a cathode.
Cathode.
Okay? So what is the basic thing? That is that battery के साथ जो terminal add होगा. Please mute yourself, children. Please listen, children. So, with the positive terminal of the battery, the electrode that is attached that becomes anode, and the negative terminal of the battery to which another electrode attached that becomes the cathode. Cathode is generally it is negatively charged as it is attached to the negative part of the battery, and anode is positively charged and as it is attached to the positive part of the battery. This part is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम
यस
To
मैम
everyone? Okay. Now what will happen? I told you that it contains electrolyte. Okay. So this solution will be acting as a good conductor of electricity. So that will become the solution when electricity is passing. It will get dissociated. The electrolyte will get dissociated into positive and negative ions.
नेगेटिव आयंस मैम कैटायंस एंड एनायंस
कैटायन
एनायंस
Yes.
negative and
Ma'am,
cations are
negative.
positive.
Cations and anions. तो cation का charge क्या होगा? What will be the charge of
Ma'am,
cation?
cations positive.
Positive.
Cation will be positive. So this positively charged cation will be attracted towards cathode or anode.
Ma'am, cathode.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
cathode.
cathode.
They will be attracted
Ma'am, cathode
towards
के पास
the
Because
cations
it
जाएंगे
lacks.
लेकिन cathode negative है cations positive है.
and what will happen? This negatively charged
Anode
ion
के साथ negative
will be attracted
and
towards
ion.
the anode. The negatively
And
charged will be attracted towards the anode.
anode.
So this is actually what electrolysis is. It is the process by which when electricity is passed, the particles, the compounds, the impurities that are present, they will get dissociated into respective charged particles and it will move towards respective cathode and anode. Clear? This is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what happens if this solution having sodium chloride? What will happen? What are the particles that will
Ma'am,
be present?
Na plus Cl minus.
Very good. So in the solution there will be Na plus
Cl.
And Cl
Cl
minus.
minus.
Na plus will go to cathode and Cl minus will go to anode.
Very good. So Na plus will be deposited on the surface of the cathode. है ना?
Yes, sir.
And Cl
Yes, ma'am.
minus will go. Cl minus कहाँ जाएगा? It will go.
Ma'am, anode.
Anode, because anode is positive. It is lacking one electron, so this anode will, anions will go to anode.
Yes. तो सुनो, तो what will happen? This chlorine is having one extra electron. एक electron extra है ना हर एक chlorine में?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
So
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
होगा? When it will reach the anode, anode का charge क्या है? Positive charge.
Positive.
तो एनोड मतलब क्या
Yes,
है? एनोड में एनोड इज लैकिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन, दैट इज व्हाई
Yes,
एनोड इज
ma'am.
पॉजिटिवली
Yes,
चार्ज. तो दिस क्लोरीन, ईच एंड एवरी क्लोरीन charged chlorine atom will release one electron and two chlorine atom join together and form chlorine gas and it will be liberated out through the anode Cl2. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ गया? This very
Yes, ma'am.
important.
Yes,
Again
ma'am.
I'm telling
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Understood.
Chlorine में कितना था? 17 electron, 17 proton. But when it becomes a charged particle, one extra electron has came. So when it is coming to the anode, it is releasing one electron, and two atoms of chlorine joins together, and they form chlorine gas. So anode, in the anode, chlorine gas is liberated. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If the
Yes, ma'am.
solution was not having NaCl, it has hydrochloric acid. तो क्या होगा?
Ma'am, H plus Cl minus.
Cl minus. Just wait.
Ma'am, H plus will go to cathode and Cl minus will go to anode.
Will go to anode.
H plus एनोड से लिबरेट होगा कि कैथोड से लिबरेट होगा? हाइड्रोजन
Ma'am,
गैस, हाइड्रोजन
Ma'am,
गैस
hydrogen gas will go to cathode.
Ma'am, cathode.
Because
Yes,
it's
very good,
positive,
very good.
That's positive.
Yes, ma'am. And oxygen gas go to ma'am cation.
And this will go to anode because it is negative and
so in
anode
this
is
case,
positive.
H plus and chlorine minus ions will be there. Hydrogen will go to the cathode
Yes,
Cathode.
ma'am.
and chlorine will go to anode.
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 Similarly, chlorine will release all its electron one by one and it will become chlorine gas like the previous one.
Yes, ma'am.
हाइड्रोजन क्या
Yes,
होगा?
ma'am.
हाइड्रोजन में इलेक्ट्रॉन
ma'am.
नेक नहीं है, एक कमी है. और कैथोड में कैथोड इज नेगेटिव, इट इज हैविंग एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो कैथोड विल गिव वन इलेक्ट्रॉन टू हाइड्रोजन and two hydrogen atom will join together to form hydrogen gas. And hydrogen will be liberated through cathode. Chlorine will be liberated through.
Anode.
समझ में आ गया? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is about electrolysis. You can take NaOH also. What will happen with NaOH? What are the particles that are formed?
Na plus and OH minus.
Yes, ma'am.
So Na plus will go to the cathode and
Cathode.
OH minus
Anode.
will
OH
go to.
minus will go to anode.
Anode.
Okay. So this electrolysis process is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes.